can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the meme coin Dogecoin. Dogecoin is up 13% over the last 1 week. Dogecoin is up 19% over the last 1 month. And the last 1 year has seen Dogecoin rally up by 146%. With the market cap of over $38 billion, Dogecoin currently trades around $0.25. In this video, we look at Dogecoin's valuation against the US dollar over the years. Dogecoin have had crazy pumps to the upside, but then we'll also see crazy dumps to gobbling town. So market participants are saying the cycle is over. Are we going to get a parabolic blow off top for the cycle? How high can Dogecoin go in the coming days and coming weeks? Also look at Dogecoin's valuation against Ethereum, Dogecoin's market cap. Can we set new all-time highs? We're not yet in an altcoin season, but altcoins are already pumping. We'll be expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump. How will that affect the price of Dogecoin? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market is bubbling. The last 1 week has seen double-digit gains across the board in the altcoin market, and we're seeing Dogecoin also enjoying the party. But guys, we're waiting for that epic takeoff, just like Zcash happened over the last 7 days. We saw Zcash just going from a random coin that's having 1-digit gains to having a triple-digit gain. Zcash is up 147% over the last 1 week. We're expecting Dogecoin to join the party. Historically, not just one altcoin goes off. When one altcoin starts taking off, the rest of the altcoin join the party. I've seen Dogecoin do that in the past. I don't believe this time is different. But then we have to ask ourselves the million-dollar question. How high can Dogecoin possibly go? Will it set to new all-time highs? Are we going to face resistance on our way to new all-time highs? We saw Dogecoin rallying in November of 2024. About to set new all-time highs, even getting to as high as 47 cents. Remember, the all-time high for Dogecoin sits around 73 cents. Market participants were excited. Bitcoin was a new all-time highs. But then we started dumping to gobbling town. Crowd is always wrong at the extreme. This time it's not different. When you start seeing market participants getting overexcited about the pump, expecting the pump, guaranteeing the pump, then you want to be very careful. Because guys, when we are down in gobbling town, you don't see anybody getting excited. That's always the best time to buy. When there's fear in the market, the best time to buy. When there's greed in the market, the best time to sell. Market participants operate opposites of that. They always buy when the market is very green, and they always sell when the market is very red. If you want to make money long term, you want to do the opposite of that. Your number one job in the cryptocurrency market is just to buy as low as possible and to sell as high as possible. If you can do that, you're going to make money long term in the cryptocurrency market. If you look at Dogecoin's price history over the years, very volatile, huge pumps to the moon, huge dumps to gobbling town, huge pumps to the moon, huge dumps to gobbling town. But one thing is sure, Dogecoin doesn't stay stagnant. Dogecoin moves ahead. If you look at what Dogecoin has done through the years from 2013 to 2025, you're one of those crazy individuals that held your Dogecoin through all the chaos. You believe, you know what, this coin is going to go to the moon. This is the future of finance, yada. You bought your Dogecoin in 2013, guys. Right now, you'll be singing Kumbaya, as just any investment you put in Dogecoin would have been worth crazy amount of money. A $1,000 investment in Dogecoin in 2013 would have been worth more than $272,000. But before you got that money, guys, you had to go through crazy times. First, you had to see a decline in 2014. You had to see your Dogecoin back go down 96%. And if you're smart enough to buy Dogecoin, then your profit would have even been more. There's one thing to learn in the cryptocurrency market, guys. The lower we go, the cheaper it becomes. That doesn't mean you should start buying any coin you're seeing dumping to gobbling town. But after it dumps and it starts accumulating, if you buy when it's low, then when smart players are buying, when it's undergoing accumulation, at some point in time, the nearest future, you'll be singing Kumbaya, because if you bought Dogecoin in the low of 2015, right now, that $1,000 investment will be worth a whopping $2.8 million. But you had to act early. You had to act when there was fear in the cryptocurrency market, because when the market got bullish, if you're one of the market participants that bought at the top again, you saw another huge decline. So if you're buying at the top, the market will incentivize you to sell at the bottom, because at some point in time, you see your bags down 92%. You can't take the pain anymore. You have to sell for some sweet profit. Now, 2021 was the biggest bull run we have seen for Dogecoin. In 2021 bull market is what many market participants are trying to experience again. That's people holding Dogecoin. We saw Dogecoin going from $0.0013 in March of 2020. By the time the bull run ended for Dogecoin in April of 2020, Dogecoin had gotten to as high as 70 cents. Dogecoin had rallied up by 49,000%, which meant just $1,000 invested in Dogecoin in the COVID 2020 sell-off would have returned more than $495,000. And since 2021, Dogecoin has seen a lot of bag holders, a lot of market participants that bought Dogecoin at $70, believing Elon Musk is going to integrate Dogecoin to Tesla. Elon Musk is going to do yada 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 with Dogecoin, because Elon Musk is one of the big supporters of Dogecoin then. Since then, we have seen Dogecoin lose another 90% of its value. And even though Dogecoin has rallied to as high as $0.47, Dogecoin has not set new all-time highs. Market participants always do forget that Dogecoin is just a meme coin. It's just a random coin in the cryptocurrency market that's affected by the ebbs and flows of the crypto market. From where we're currently trading right now, for Dogecoin to return back to the $0.45 level, we need to see Dogecoin rally up by 90% for us to get to new all-time highs. Dogecoin needs to give us a 184% pump to the upside. Dogecoin pumping to new all-time highs is going to send the market into mad pandemonium. There's going to be mad euphoria, but don't get carried away in the euphoria, guys. Dogecoin at all-time highs is going to spell trouble in the long haul. If you look at what Dogecoin has done over the years, all the rallies you have seen eventually led to a huge dump to Goblin Town. I don't think this time is different. I 100% believe we're going to see a rally to end the cycle, but then nobody knows where it will end. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. Run for the hills when you sell your bags. Don't go and be FOMOing in after you sell your bags. You're not going to sell the top. That's one thing that is sure. If you want to buy some Dogecoin for yourself, you can buy some Dogecoin on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange. Anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Dogecoin right there. There's greed in the cryptocurrency market, which is very, very good to see. We have to go towards greed before we get extreme greed. We saw the cryptocurrency market stuck in neutral sentiment and fear over the last 3 months. But right now, as altcoins pumping front, left, and center, as Bitcoin is near all-time highs, Ethereum is near all-time highs, BNB setting all-time highs, I expect to see a lot of altcoins joining the party. I expect to see sentiments in the cryptocurrency market over the next 30 days improve drastically. When you see extreme greed, run for the hills. When you see extreme greed, FOMO is at the highest. If you look at Dogecoin's valuation against Ethereum, Dogecoin has had a crazy pump against Ethereum. When the market is bullish, when the market gets bearish, you want to run for the hills. When the market is bearish, market participants are always scared. And when we are scared, we run towards safety. Safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin, is Ethereum, and is stable coins. And that's why you see when the market gets bullish, Dogecoin start gaining against the US dollar, Dogecoin start gaining against Ethereum, Dogecoin start gaining against Bitcoin. And right now, I'll be expecting Dogecoin to outperform Ethereum. Maybe not rallying past where we traded in December, but Dogecoin could easily see 100 to 200% pump against Ethereum over the next few days and the next few weeks. The big one, Dogecoin's market cap, which could easily blast to a new all-time high. If you look at what Dogecoin has been doing since the bottom came in, it has been trending in the right direction from June 2022 when Dogecoin got to around the $6.5 billion level in market cap valuation. Dogecoin has rallied up by around 489%. I would expect Dogecoin to maybe give an attempt to the previous all-time highs. We saw Dogecoin's market cap getting to as high as $69 billion in December of 2024. But let's not forget Dogecoin's market cap at earlier got into as high as $94 billion. That was way back in 2021. Meme coins are pumping. Dogecoin is the king of the meme coin, the cryptocurrency market. Expect to see Dogecoin joining the party, probably setting new all-time highs. Then again, guys, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. If you look at the altcoin season index, we're not officially yet in an altcoin season. We dabbled in an altcoin season, we dabbled out of an altcoin season. I believe over the next few days, we're going to settle into an altcoin season, and that news alone is going to send market participants scurrying to buy altcoins. Right now, Bitcoin is up 11%. A lot of altcoins are doing better than Bitcoin, including Dogecoin. Dogecoin is up 57% over the last 90 days. And historically, the only time we can call alt season in the cryptocurrency market is if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. That will officially be called an alt season. We're not there yet, but as we enter an alt season, remember, after alt seasons comes bear market. We saw what happened in December of 2024. We saw the altcoin market pumping. The altcoin season indexes were an alt season. When we left altcoin season, we had a little bear market. I don't think this time will be different. History, they say, doesn't repeat itself, but it does rhyme. So if you see altcoin season, you want to run and sell for the hills and start running, because what will happen after that will be a huge decline to Goblin Town. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, which sits at 58%, a decline in Bitcoin dominance for the next few weeks, a decline in Bitcoin dominance will send the altcoin market going parabolic. More importantly, to send meme coins pumping, because capital is going to start leaving Bitcoin, heading into the altcoin market, heading to the meme coin market, new market participants entering the market. Will not buy Bitcoin for $120,000. They'll rather go and buy an altcoin or a meme coin that could easily see a 2x, a 3x, or a 10x. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Altcoin market is pumping front, left, and center. We're seeing crazy pumps in the altcoin market, WGG gains across the board. How high do you think Dogecoin will go before the end of the cycle? More importantly, when will you sell your Dogecoin for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.